Hi, it's Mike from Custom Cruisers UK. Okay, we've got some Sputhe bits here. We've got some big bore cylinders as well. We've got some Sputhe cases. Okay, got loads of Sputhe stuff, gasket kits, etc. Pins. This particular one is, as you can see, a 104 flat top. Okay, we do a dished, low compression. These are like 10:1, something like that. As you can see, beautiful pistons, forged. Okay, not your usual cast crap. Very, very strong. Okay, secured by these bloody spiral locks. Really awkward to put in if you've ever taken one on off. This is a plus 20 thou. Okay, you know, we've got standards, we've got all different sizes. Full ring set, proper Sputhe. Okay, but these obviously come in boxes, as you can see. Rear flat top piston, cylinder kit 4003B if you're going for the big bore kit. Okay, if you want any merch stuff, S&S or Sputhe, give us a call. 01773 835 666. Custom Cruisers UK. As you can see here, we've got a load of other stuff. We've got S&S cases, cranks, we've got stroker cranks, Ultima stuff, Ultima oil pumps, etc. You know, loads of brakes, performance machine, etc. Full controls, masses of grips, gear like this, all your service manuals, your S&S filters, your drag filters, proper batteries and unspillable, super high performance, billet wheels. Okay, here you are, all your performance machine wheels, couple of motors, you name it, we've got it. Okay, full controls, billet wheels, again billet wheels, loads of calipers, proper 6-pot, 4-pots, P&M brake discs, you know, pads, just you name it. So if you're interested in any cruiser bits, or we can get obviously race stuff as well, but specialise in this kind of gear, give us a bell. 01773 835 666. Alternatively, www.customcruisers.eu is a new site. Customcruisers.com is the old site with way more on, but the customcruisers.eu, got to admit, is a way better site. Billet risers, you know, grips, ladies, chaps, beautiful leather jobs. Got all the waterproof jackets on offer for the winter. Okay, 89 quid gets you a 3-layer jacket. This, you can take the waterproof liner out, or obviously you can have the quilted one in as well. So you got a 3-layer, masses and masses of gear. No fear, these are like real high-end jackets. You know, these are top of the range. Normally $299. We got these on offer $145. Okay, got the gloves to match. They got Hippora in them, which, if you know about Hippora, that really is top of the range gear. Masses of footrest, etc. Give us a bell. 01773 835 666. www.customcruisers.com or .co.uk.